Neuralink, a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk, is pioneering advancements in brain machine interfaces. Their mission is to develop devices that can be implanted in the human brain to facilitate direct communication between the brain and computers. This technology holds the potential to unlock several secrets of the brain and revolutionize various fields. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The report claimed that US Food and Drug Administration approved a second trial for Neuralink's devices and it has plans to embed 64 cheap wires, each thinner than a strand of human hair, to create a high resolution interface with the brain. Their wires can record neural activity and stimulate specific brain regions with great precision. By embedding these wires deeper into the brain, Neuralink aims to prevent the retraction issue observed in earlier patients. This deeper placement is intended to ensure that the wires remain in place, providing consistent and reliable data over time. Neuralink's devices are designed to record neural activity with unprecedented resolution. By capturing detailed data from specific brain regions, scientists can better understand how different parts of the brain communicate and process information. Advanced algorithms can analyze the neural data to decode the patterns of brain activity associated with specific thoughts, actions, and sensory perceptions. This can help unravel the complex workings of the brain. For individuals with spinal cord injuries or neurodegenerative diseases, Neuralink's technology can bypass damaged neural pathways, allowing them to control prosthetic limbs or other devices directly with their thoughts. Moving further, these technological advancements have the potential to transform the treatment of neurological conditions, enhance human cognitive and motor functions, and pave the way for future innovations of neurotechnology. However, addressing the associated ethical, regularity, and accessibility challenges will be crucial for realizing the full potential of this groundbreaking technology. Let's look into today's headlines. X to make likes on posts private. X will soon make likes private in order to help users protect their public image, as public likes are incentivizing wrong behavior on the platform. According to Hao Fei Wang, director of engineering at X, many people feel discouraged from liking content that might be edgy in fear of retaliation from trolls or to protect their public image. Wang encouraged users to like the posts without worrying who might see it. Samsung's HBM chips failing Nvidia tests owing to heat power issues. Samsung Electronics' latest high bandwidth memory chips are yet to pass Nvidia's tests for use in the US firm's AI processors due to heat and power consumption problems. The problems affect Samsung's HBM3 chips. These chips are the fourth generation HBM standard currently most used in graphics processing units or artificial intelligence, as well as fifth generation HBM3E chips that the South Korean tech giant and its rivals are bringing to market this year. Zoom doubles down on security with post-quantum E2EE in Zoom Workplace. Post-quantum end-to-end encryption E2EE is now globally available for Zoom Workplace, specifically Zoom meetings, with Zoom Phone and Zoom Rooms coming soon. The launch of the new security enhancement makes Zoom the first UCaaS company to offer a post-quantum E2EE solution for video conferencing. When users enable E2EE for their meetings, Zoom's systems is designed to provide only the participants with access to the encryption keys that are used to encrypt the meeting. India's RuPay to launch in Maldives. India's RuPay service will soon be launched in Maldives. The announcement comes amidst the tensions in bilateral ties between India and Maldives. The upcoming launch of India's RuPay service is anticipated to further bolster the Maldivian rupiah. A senior minister of Maldives said that both the countries are currently engaged in discussions to explore avenues for facilitating payments in rupees. TRAI rolls out two new mobile number series for calling and SMS. Government bodies TRAI and DOT have released a new number series for mobile calling and messaging. The new number series is rolled out for promotional calls and messages along with bank message calls, which is going to provide a lot of relief to mobile users in the coming days. Besides, the government can issue new regulations for OTT apps while also preparing to tighten the news on messaging platforms like WhatsApp. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.